Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
She came at night along with the
U
husband.
Nongïakhih jaka Fastom dan ka Federation of All School Teachers of Nonghikai. U babu mebon lingdo. Ulayam Rangbah haba ukran ban penbena ya karai ke bagi Nonghikai ad hoc kilashim. U babu mebon ula penbena bagi Nonghikai kin omlek phayeng satya. Bat kindang Bteng ya ke Ïakhih jongki ban syong thiamit hasurok tat Haduh bak sarkar kan khot ya ke Nongïalam ke kenhon menteri lani ke kabinet ban ya keren ya kamat kabai dei bat Nonghikai.
Just to secure your seat. It pains my soul. But still we are here because we are waiting for what we deserve. So we want you to come here. You can make an arrangement for an emergency meeting today. We know that the CM is coming today. So look for an emergency meeting, solve our issue. We do not want to sit here all the time. For me and the others who are still young, it's fine. It's fine. But I cannot see the women who have children at home waiting to come and sit here. The other day, because they are sitting there, they don't know what is going on here. And these politicians, just to secure your seat, it will never come back. We cannot live like this. So please solve our issue as soon as possible. And we hope that if this MDA government has a heart, it will not play games anymore. We are tired of games. We are tired of games. Do not send these officers to tell us to go back. We will not go back. We will not go back. Now we will stay here until and unless we get our demands. We will not blame you if we fall sick. We will not blame anyone. It is us because we choose to be here. But please, solve this issue as soon as possible. That is all.